What if the future of rockets is as much about chemistry as engineering? Let's talk Methalox rockets powered by methane and liquid oxygen. Why is everyone raving about them? Simple. They burn cleaner than old-school kerosene, making engines reusable and slashing carbon emissions. China's land space, Zhuke-2E, leads the pack, the first methane-LOX rocket to reach orbit, and its upgraded version is aiming for rapid reusability. Europe's Ariane next, with its Prometheus engine, is hot on their heels. Think 3D printed parts, 10 times cheaper launches, and a keen eye on Mars. Here's the kicker. Methane is cheap, easy to make, and you can even produce it on Mars. That's why SpaceX, Landspace, and Ariane Group are all in. But hybrids are making noise too. Fuel's solid, oxidizers liquid, simple, safe, and you can throttle or restart mid-flight. Indian startups, backed by ISRO, are harnessing hybrids for green, small-scale launches and university projects. So, whether it's clean-burning Methalox or versatile hybrids, the next rocket revolution is firing up. Which would you back for the future of space?